Now, you're not going to have me looking around and, oh, hi. Hey, it's Terry from Normal Gadgets. Thanks for dropping by. I appreciate it. Hey, when tech giants exist in the same space, a rivalry is inevitable. This ranges from lighthearted poking through advertising and aggressive campaigning, or possibly even lawsuits. We, the users, are usually forced to pick a side. But some companies realize they can retain their customer base and expand interest in their own products by offering greater compatibility with other devices and platforms. Nice. Windows is the most popular operating system globally, so it does make sense that Windows capability makes for a good selling point. You can run Windows on a Mac using Apple's built-in Boot Camp Assistant. Apple and Google are the top of the heap with their operating systems, their iOS and Android systems. Fans swear by their phones, their iPhones and their Android. I love iPhone, I love Samsung, Google. Apple and Google have been lifting restrictions on each other's platforms lately, so that's good for us. So, hey, have you lost your iPhone? You can now use Google Assistant to find your iPhone. Just say, hey Google, find my iPhone, to your Google smart speaker or display to ping your missing phone. Google Assistant will then go out, will ring your phone for 25 seconds, your iPhone for 25 seconds. It's that easy. Now, from Apple, there's AirTags like this one here. AirTags is a super easy way to keep track of all your stuff, or maybe grandpa. It uses NFC built in on the iPhones, and then you can use the thing called Find My Phone to find things such as your keys or said grandpa. Hey, hope these tips can help you. Thanks, Kim Commando. We've got your back over here at Normal Gadgets. If we can assist you, stop by. Our address is 802 South El Dorado in beautiful Bloomington, or you can give us a call. Our phone number is 309-807-3333. Now, where did I put my keys?